If a bypass charger is not working on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then we have three causes why this might be the case. So first and foremost, what you need to know is that your power supply must be compatible with Samsung smartphones, with Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And some power supplies might not be compatible with your Galaxy Z Flip 7, so you want to make sure that Galaxy smartphones are actually supported, or Galaxy smartphones support your power supply. And the second thing that is also written over here in the description is that the bypass charger should have at least 25 watts, 25 or more. If it has less, then in that case, bypass charging might not be possible in your case. And the third thing that you need to know is that you should have at least 20% of the battery on your smartphone. So if you have less than 20%, then bypass charging won't work.